Set sail for improved health and productivity while raising your office decor, not just your work surface, to a whole new level with iMovR's exquisite new Captain's Desk. In crafting the Captain's Desk, iMovR's lead furniture designer, Vincent Lehman, sought to invoke romantic allusions to the age of exploration, when galleon ships plied the currents and trade winds, connecting the new world with the old. From the angular elements of a classic ship's Davenport desk and the perimeter fencing of a military campaign desk, the iMovR Captain's Desk is one of the most charming and unique standing desk designs on the market today. But top quality desks shouldn't just be that alone. They should also be elegant, strong, durable, and sustainable, which is why we chose Baltic birch for iMovR's new nautical line of distinctive, handcrafted standing desks. The Captain's Desk is made from top-grade Baltic birch, which has long been prized by the world's finest cabinet makers for its strength and consistency. Beautiful enough for making exquisite musical instruments such as guitars, violins, and percussion, but strong enough to allow them to last through generations. Choose from 8 gorgeous custom blended stains or a natural unstained finish. We use only GreenGuard certified formaldehyde-free stains and sealants in the meticulous handcrafting of these desktops to give them a shimmering gleam and protect the beauty of the wood for many years to come. Built on iMovR's state-of-the-art Landerlight electric lifting base, the entire Captain's Desk is proudly made in the USA and arrives 90% factory pre-assembled and individually tested for a simply delightful customer experience. You won't even need to get your toolbox out to put it together in under 10 minutes. Like all iMovR standing desks, it comes with a bulletproof 10-year warranty on the base and 5 years on the top. To chat with one of our ergonomic or design specialists about this desk or a custom setup, click the link below. iMovR, moving towards health.